Welcome to Megamation Direct Line Training. This video will look at the process to create a project step. Each project needs to have at least one step in order to add it to work orders or purchases. As well, the project will not show up on the project console until it has a step associated. There are two ways to begin creating a step. First is by going to Module, Project Management, Project Step Definition. Choose an existing project by clicking the magnifying glass button on the project number field and use the project search to find an available project. Or from the project definition screen with the project displayed, click the New Step for Project button. With the project number filled in, enter a unique step ID in the step number field. This ID needs to be unique for each step within the project. Once the step number is filled, some fields will autofill, including project information and step status, as well as effective and estimated completion dates. Add a step name to describe what this step is for. On the General Info tab, add a step type by clicking the drop-down and choosing from the list of available step types. Step types can be added in the Project Module Administrative section or by clicking the step type label. Effective and estimated completion dates autofill from the project entry, but are step specific. Change the dates by clicking the drop-down and choosing a date from the calendar. If a supplier is required for this step, click in the supplier field and use the supplier search to search for a supplier. The description details is a text field that can be used to enter a detailed description of the step. Assigned to and consultant on the step screen can be different from the overall project, but are still chosen from the same lists. On the Budgeting Details tab, add a budget for the step. Multiple budgets can be added to one step if needed, and the budgets for all steps in a project will combine to fill the budget field on the project entry. Hit Add. Enter the budget amount and add a description if needed. Burden and contingency percentages can be added. Each budget must have a fiscal year and an account number. Both of these lists are created in the administration module. The other tabs on the project step definition entry, such as BCA RFS particulars, can be covered in a training session by calling Megamation Support. Save the project step by hitting Save in the toolbar. The screen is cleared and ready to create the next step.